Which is the best lip balm for you? Today, as a dermatologist, I'll be reviewing 10 popular lip balms and we will be understanding what are the hydrating ingredients in them, what are the sun protecting ingredients in them, and which is going to be the best lip balm for you. Let's first talk about Himalaya lip balm. I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. It's actually a very good lip balm and it contains natural ingredients like coconut oil, castor oil, carrot seed oil, and wheat germ oil. So it is very hydrating in that sense, but it lacks SPF. Also, it does not have waxes in it as an ingredient, so it is a good lip balm which provides light hydration. But if you have very chapped lips, severely chapped lips, it might not do as good for your lips, but otherwise it's a good basic lip balm. I would rate it 8.5 out of 10. Now let's talk about another popular lip balm, Maybelline Baby Lips Berry Crush. I would rate it 4 out of 10. Why? Because it definitely does have shea butter and some vitamins. So shea butter is very hydrating, but it has various allergens and your lips are also very sensitive, then they might cause irritation. So it has fragrance, flavor, linalool, eugenol, benzyl benzoate, and isopropyl palmitate. Even though they are present in very little amount, they can still irritate your lips. So if you have sensitive skin, you should try avoid it. Otherwise, it's a lip balm which is hydrating because of the shea butter. But I would rate it 4 out of 10. I have tagged all these products with this video so that there is no confusion. Now let's talk about Dot & Key Strawberry Crush Lip Balm. I would rate it 4 out of 10. So they contain hydrating ingredients like shea butter and avocado oil. So they're definitely hydrating for the lips, but they also contain certain UV chemical filters such as octocrylene, octinoxate. So they might end up irritating very sensitive lips. So I would rate it 4 out of 10. Hi, I'm dermatologist Dr. Nirupama and I make videos on skincare and hair care in English on this channel and in Hindi on this channel. You can subscribe to our channels and also follow me on Instagram. Now let's talk about Vaseline Rosy Lips. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. Why? Because it contains petrolatum, which is a gold standard occlusive. It helps lock in moisture. It also contains sweet almond oil, which is a great emollient, and rose oil, which gives a little bit of scent to the lip balm. So otherwise this lip balm is very good since it has an occlusive which helps in locking in moisture, hydrating the lips. However, it does contain little fragrance which might irritate very sensitive lips. Otherwise the petrolatum in it makes it a winner. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. Now let's talk about Wishcare Ceramide Lip Balm. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. Why? Because it has ceramides, which is great for the barrier, and it also contains hydrating ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, and oil. So it is great lip balm, especially if you have chapped lips. Also, it has sun protection factor because of the presence of zinc oxide as well as tenosorb. And otherwise, it's a great lip balm, but it contains berry flavor. So this can be irritating, especially if you have sensitive lips. Otherwise, formulation wise, this is a great lip balm. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. Now, if we talk about the Sugar Pop Nourishing Lip Balm, I would rate it 7 out of 10. Why? Because it contains shea butter as well as avocado oil. So it is very hydrating. However, it does contain certain ingredients that can end up irritating our lips, such as BHT, phenoxyethanol. Otherwise, it's a great lip balm for lip hydration, but I would rate it 7 out of 10. Now let's talk about Hyphen Hazel Lip Balm. I would rate it 8 out of 10. So this is a very good lip balm with the silicone-like base, so it gives a very smooth finish on the lips. It contains shea butter, squalane, and it also contains peptides, tripeptides, and tetrapeptides. It also has a few colorants in them. So it is a great lip balm with modern moisturizing base. However, the peptides in it might be just overhyped, so I would give it 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about Nivea Cherry Shine Lip Balm. I would rate it 7 out of 10. So it contains shea butter and glycerine, which are great for hydration of the lips, but it contains certain fragrance-based allergens, BHT, eugenol, which might end up irritating very sensitive lips. Otherwise, it's a great hydrating lip balm, so I would rate it 7 out of 10. Now let's talk about NMFE Lip Balm. So I would rate it 9 out of 10. So this contains aloe vera, which helps in soothing, and it contains vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant. So overall, this lip balm definitely helps in hydrating the lips, and it also has an SPF of 40, so it also protects our lips from sun damage. So it's a great everyday use lip balm. You can apply it regularly and I would give it 9 out of 10. Last but not the least, let's talk about Vaseline Original. So this is not exactly a lip balm, but a lot of people apply it on their lips and I would rate it 9 out of 10 because it contains petrolatum, which is inert. It's a great occlusive agent which helps trap in moisture. This also contains vitamin E, which is a great antioxidant and is one of the safest and most effective formulation if we talk about occlusives in order to trap in moisture. So I would rate this formulation 9 out of 10. So even though original Vaseline does not give any sun protection, but still, since it is inert, non-irritating, that is why I am highly recommending it. But I hope you liked this video and you understood which is going to be the best lip balm for you. If you did like this video, do let me know in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.